Another nutty fragrance oil. So you're going to want to get your notebooks out for this one, possibly. But I will put everything in the description that you will need to know. I just added goat milk to my oils. In my lye water today, I have Tussa Silk, and I do add sodium lactate, which you'll see me pour in here. So today I'm working with a fragrance that is considered moderately accelerating to on the higher end of moderately accelerating. And I feel like we've all had fragrances that we really loved, and we still want to be able to use them in our cold process soap and not have to do it hot processed or melt and pour. So my way of combating that and being able to do a little bit more design work with those fragrances is to use a recipe, which I'm going to be putting in the description for you, that is 75% lard. Now, lard is definitely a slower moving fat, so using a high percentage of lard in your recipes will help you out with keeping that fragrance oil from seizing up on you. Also, soaping at a slightly lower temperature than I normally do. I normally soap around 90, and today I'm soaping at 80. Now, I'm over mixing my batter slightly so that I can make the pointy layers, as you've seen, but you don't have to do that. You can not mix as much as I did and be able to pour a flat, straight layer. Also, I pour my batter into my colorant that has my fragrance oil already mixed in. In this case, I'm using clays to color my batter, one at a time as needed. So I don't put my batter with my fragrance oil until I'm ready to mix it and pour it. For the white layers that I have laid down in between my pointy layers, I did not use fragrance oil at all. Another tip is to make sure you're getting your soap fragrances from a reliable source. I will list in the description some of the places that I get my fragrance oils from, and most of them do have soaping notes, so you will know ahead of time if that fragrance does accelerate. Okay, so I'm finishing up my top layer here, and I'm going to be pulling out a tool that I got from Michael's. It's from Folk Art, and it is a acrylic fluid pour tool, and it's really cool. You should try it out. I also mixed a little bit of the white with the leftover batter I had, and you'll see I end up cutting the tops off because these colors do not go with the inside colors of my bars, and I just wasn't happy with it. And you can do whatever you want with your soap. So look at that, isn't that cool? So that is from Folk Art. I'll put a link below. I am not an affiliate with anything, so I'm giving links because I want to give you links. So here I am cutting my bars. This will go pretty fast, and then I'll show you how the bars turned out after I cleaned them up and stamped them. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. I would love your ideas on what my next videos could be about, something you might want to learn. I'm turning 50 this year, so I am going to be putting up a 50th birthday soap in the next few weeks, so look out for that too. Okay, so here's the final bars. I think they're really pretty. I think that I would have liked straight layers more, so next time I'll do that. And remember, everything I've talked about today is in the description, and if you have questions, just let me know. And thanks for watching.